Excel Chapter 5 Practice. Okay, number 1, copy 5-3 from your student data files folder into your working folder and then rename it as report. Reports. Open it. Okay. And then for the number 2, okay, write your name in B3 and then the date. Okay. And next, as you see this one, we have 7, here it is, grill 01 all the way to 7. So we're going to copy a worksheet from a different workbook. Okay, before we do that one, okay, let's try number 3. Okay, apply the hyperlink to your email address. So click your name. Okay, click your name, and then we're going to add a link to your email address. So click Insert tab and then Link. So in this case here, okay, make sure you click this email address, and the email address, write your email address. Okay, and then the subject is, for your email address, the subject will be monthly sales and expense reports. Okay, and then the screen tip. Okay, screen tip is email me for more info. So type email me for more info. All right, so we're gonna add a link to your email address. So as you see this, move your mouse on your name, then you can see the screen tip, email me for more info, right? So once you click this, then this will link to your email application. Okay, next, number 4. Okay, open this Peoria file and then copy the worksheet. Okay, so let's go to the student data files folder. Why don't we copy all of this? Peoria region 1, 2, 3, 4. So copy all these files into your working folder and then open this Peoria file. And this workbook, workbook is an Excel file. Now I want to copy this worksheet. So right click on this worksheet title. Here is move or copy. So select this one. And then we want to create a copy, not move, create a copy. So click the arrow. I'm going to copy this book to report. Okay, report. And then I'm going to put it to the end. Okay. So move to the end, check create a copy, and then click OK. So as you see this, okay, this is the report Excel file report. So actually Excel file is a workbook, and workbook is composed of worksheets. So we just added number 8 to the end of this worksheet. Okay. All right, the next, okay, create a workbook worksheet group. Okay, we have several. We wanna select several worksheets as one group. So click the first one, 01, and then hold down the Shift key, and then go all the way to the 8th worksheet, and then click. Okay, so hold down the first worksheet. Click the first worksheet and then hold down the Shift key, then click the last worksheet. So all the worksheets between these two clicks will be selected like this. Okay, and then number 5. Okay, from this one we will create a named range. Okay, named range. So select A7 to B7, hold down the Control key, select, let's try again. Okay, select A7 to B7 and then hold down the Control key. Select A11 to B11. Still hold down the Control key. Select A16 to B16. Okay, so we select these three, and then we wanna name these values. B7, B11, B16. These cells with the names on the left. So go to the formula sheet, and then here is create from selection. So we wanna define names for these three cells. So create from selection, and the name for the values for B7, 11, 16 will be the names in the left column. So select left column and then OK. All right, then if you click the manager, name manager, then we just created all of this like this. Okay, and then from this, look at this one. Okay, this value, the total cost of goods sold. The total cost of goods sold is this one, A11. And the value is 166,232. And it refers to B11, grill 1, B11. Grill 1, B11, right? But as you see this, the scope is workbook. But the scope will be limited to this grills 01. So what in this case, okay, there are three names that has workbook as a scope. So why don't we remove this one? So make sure to click the first workbook, record. So delete it. Also select this one. This is B16, delete, and the third one is B17, B7, delete. Okay. So now what we're gonna do is we will rename this one. Okay, rename this. So select. Okay, select this. Okay, select it. Select the name B7, and then define name. And this will be. The scope will be 01, and the name should be total sales. So capital lock, total underscore sales. Make sure to put underscore. Okay, let's try another one. Select B11 and define names, and then the scope should be 01, and the name is total underscore costs underscore of underscore goods underscore sold. So replace all the blank space with underscore. Okay, the last one is select B16 and then define name. Scope will be 01. The name is total payroll costs. Total underscore payroll underscore costs. All right, click OK. So click the name manager, and then let's see everything is now added. So this one is added, right? B11, the scope for the B11 was workbook. So now we change the scope into the worksheet 01. Okay, even this one, B16, and then even B7, right? B7. Okay, so this is good. So actually the name manager or the defined name means this cell. Okay, the name of this cell is this name. So if you click this, then look at the upper left corner. This is the name of the. Okay, so this shows the name of each cell. So the name of this B611 is this one. Name of B16 is this one. Name of B5 is just B5 because we didn't name it. So the address of B5 is just B5. But since we named others, the name is different. Okay. And all these 8 worksheets have same names for B7, B11, and B16. Okay, that's what we did for number 6. And then number 7. Okay, actually number 7 is already done because all these names for this or these 3 has been changed. So this one is total sales, this is total cost of goods sold, and this one is total payroll cost. So this one is already applied. Okay, number 8, in region report. So click the region report twice. Then all this group worksheet is not disabled, and only this region report is selected. So in the region F5, okay, this F5 is the sum of cell B5 in each, okay, B5 of 01, B5 of 02, B5 of 03, and so on. So this is how you can do it. So this will be the sum, so equals sum of, so we will select green one, so click green one worksheet, hold down the shift key and click number 8. So worksheet 01 all the way to 08 is selected, and from this one click B5. Okay, so can you see this? This is the formula. So we selected worksheet 01 to 08 and the cell B5, and then close parenthesis, enter. Okay, so as you see this, if you double click it, this is sum of worksheets from 01 to 08 and the values of B5, cell B5. Okay, use autofill to extend the formulas F5 all the way through to F17. We can apply autofill because look at the order. Look at the first one is food sales, beverage, total sales. If you see the next worksheet, food sales, beverage, total, and then food costs, total, wage, employee. The order of this is same as the order of this in this number, the 01, 02 worksheet. So what we can do is we can just use apply autofill. So right click on the lower right corner and then drag it all the way down to F17, and then fill without formatting. We will just copy the formula, not the formatting. Okay, so the background stays the same, the underline stays the same. What we did is we just copied the formula, and then we don't use 0, so remove this 0, delete it. Okay, now number 10. Okay, open region 1 Excel file. So go to the, I will just copy this region 1 to 34 from student data files folder to my working folder, right? So open region 1, and then this time we will just copy, okay, copy this B5 to B17, B5 to B17. So copy. So right click, copy, and then I will copy region 1. So click the original report file, and then click B5, and then right click. Okay, there are paste options. Okay, from this one, we will select the last one, which is paste link. So we want to copy the link to the original data. Okay, select the last one. So as you see this, if you want, okay, let me change the original number, the one digit into 7. Then let's see what happens to the report. This one changes, right? So as you change the original one, it changes the report file. Okay, So that is the link. What? That's the link, paste link. Okay, then we don't need this one. All right, then do this for. Okay, repeat this step for all the way all the way up to region 4. Okay, that's number 11. And then we run a 0, so remove the 0. Okay, so open region 2, copy, and then when you paste it, make sure to use the right mouse button, and then select paste link. Okay, now number 3, copy, and then right click on D5, select the last one, paste link. Okay, the last one, region 4, copy, right click, select the last one. Great, that is number 10. And then we don't need this 0, so remove this 0, delete it. Okay, number 12. Okay, copy grids 501. Okay, click 01 worksheet. Okay, I want to copy to a new workbook. So right click on this 01. Select move for copy. We want to create a copy into a new workbook. So select new workbook, new book, and then OK. All right, so this is, we just copy the worksheet, 01 worksheet in here. Okay, and then, okay, save the report file. Okay, save it. Okay, I will save this one, and then close this. Okay, now we have a workbook, the new workbook. So for this new workbook, we will do this. Okay, change the worksheet name, franchise. So right click this one, and then rename it so that we can change the worksheet name to franchise. Okay, select A2. Select A2 and then change it to region. So rename this one to region monthly sales and expenses. Okay, and then delete the data in the non-adjacent. So it will be B5 to B6, B5 to B6, delete, B9, B10, delete, then B13 to 15. Okay, only delete these 3. The total remains format, and this one also has a format. What we did is we just deleted the data only, these two, and these 3. All right, and then we will save this one as a template file. So go to the Save As, Browse. Okay, so go to your working folder. Okay, select the Save As type. It will be Excel template. It is over here. Excel template, Excel TX, Excel TX. Here, Excel template, this one. So select this, and then the name of this file will be np_ex_5_sales. Okay, enter. Already exists. Because this is the one that I tried before, so that's okay. Click yes. Okay, so this file is, we just create a template, so you can bring this file from, okay, the template file is, okay, wait, okay, one moment. Where's the, okay, let me check the path of this worksheet. The template. All right, this is in Documents, Custom Office Templates. Okay, document, custom office templates. So here, this one. All right. So actually we are done for this one. So what you can do is go to your PC, documents, custom office templates, and copy this file. Copy this template into your working folder. So you can just submit this too. Okay. So we are done for this review homework.